Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the idiots and morons we see out here on the road. You've got the Audi going up the inside there, but the minute's just pulled to the left. Didn't look, didn't use that wing mirror there. It was indicating, to be fair. Never mind about mirror signal manoeuvre. It was signal, manoeuvre and smash the wing mirror off because I don't even bother using it anyway. Okay, so from one idiot that don't use the wing mirror to another idiot that never uses their brain. You've got this clip here. This moron, this uber idiot, you can see the green roundel of dumbness in the window there, is on the A40 dual carriageway going the wrong way. Bit like he came down the birth canal the wrong way all them years ago, causing permanent brain damage, it would seem. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Anton26, and we're looking at this Amazon Prime articulated truck, yeah? Now, if we look on the back of the trailer, there's more to Prime, a truckload more. Well, we're about to see what more, where this more comes from. Now, he's doing a left, and he needs to be more over to the right for starters. There's two bollards, and the bollards are no more. That's the only more what I see there. And he's off like a robber's dog. Okay, so you've got this clip here from John W. Now, if you look on the road, it says ahead only. Well, the driver you're about to see only needs a head, because he obviously ain't got one on his shoulders. And there he is. He's come around the traffic island the wrong way, come through the traffic light the wrong way. He's just making wrong decisions all day. A bit like intelligence knew it was wrong being inside his skull and left his skull for a far distant place. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Musa, and he's going down Piccadilly. Two lanes on either side going in opposite directions. But here comes the pilchard in a Porsche. It's come down this side the wrong way. But they knew he was coming because they've illuminated his IQ on the sign across the road. 6. Yeah, and that 6 was being very generous. Then he just mounts the central reservation to get to the other side, but it's an insurmountable task for him to use at least 2% of his brain and not try and put everyone at risk. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Brad XX, and this is in New York. Now, what do you do when the traffic's really heavy in New York? Well, you use the empty cycle lane, of course, don't you? Use your own private car lane. This moron's got the brain of a bath sponge. Only difference is a bath sponge can hold and retain water. His brain can't hold or retain anything. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Sally M, and she's following this silver car round and roundabout. But the driver of the silver car don't notice the ambulance coming from the left. With the sirens going and the blue lights going. Blind as a bat. No, not blind as a bat. She's got the visual capability of a sea urchin that lives on the bottom of the sea and hasn't actually got eyes. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Big D, and he's going round and roundabout. And what pulls out in front of him? The 8-wheel tipper. 32 tonnes of tipper, and what's it got painted on the side? Don't chance it, look out. But that driver certainly didn't look out the driver's window before pulling out, did he? And he definitely chanced it. And now he's slammed the anchors on for no reason at all. Well, maybe he sneezed and part of his fragmented brain come down his nose and landed on the brake pedal. I'm just guessing. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Roger A. Now keep your eye on where the red arrow is. We're looking at a little white van, and there's a black car in front of that white van, and then they both make contact. One of the vehicles, if not two, hit the Armco barrier. Big cloud of dust. The white van spun out. There's the black car. The driver's out the van. Thinks the driver's going to stop, but he's gone. That's the La Vista, baby. Steward's inquiry. That's where they make contact. Big cloud of dust as one, if not the pair of them, hit the Armco barrier. The van is still spinning round and round. Lucky it never spun over and flipped over on its side. Very lucky indeed. And here comes the black car, emerging from that cloud of dust from behind the van, like a fart bubble emerges from the depths of the water onto the surface of the swimming pool when someone farts in there. Yeah, and just like a fart bubble, he's disappeared off into thin air because he's done a runner down the dual carriageway the wrong way. What an idiot. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Danny, and he's going up Constitution Hill. And you've got Buckingham Palace on the left. You can see the vehicles coming from the right to the left. And what you can also see is the uber idiot do the left turn to face head on with Danny in the wrong side of the road. Perfectly standard behaviour for these brainless gimps. And now, even more brainless, he does a 3-point turn and heads into the oncoming traffic. He's a sort of bloke, if he's in a ramboat, he keeps going in circles because he only ever rows with one oar in the water. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Sarah Bean. She's approaching the junction, and what happened there? We need a steward's inquiry. You keep your eye to the right. There comes the village idiot. Just forces to the left. All he had to do was hold back. It's a pity that BMW driver's dad didn't hold back all them years ago when he was having sexy time with the driver's mum, because then he wouldn't have been here on the road to wreak havoc and cause damage. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Ludmil, and he's going down this one-way street. He's going the right way, but guess what ain't going the right way? The uber idiot, absolutely standard behaviour, is coming up the one-way street the wrong way. Nothing unusual for these brainless gimps. And as we can see in the window, he's got the green roundel with dumbness and danger in there. Standard equipment for them. On the plus side, he's never get done for drink driving because he's the sort of bloke that always tries to open his beer cans while he's wearing boxing gloves. Okay, so you got this little clip here from Seth. He's waiting at the red light. You can see it up there. It looks like a Dalek on speed. He's got hunt. He's hunting for the Doctor Who and the TARDIS. Now we're going to have a look at some brainless idiots on bikes. Guys, can I just ask you one very quick favour? If you've liked what you've seen so far and I put a smile on your face, can you just hit that little like and subscribe button down below, please? It really does help me. Thanks a lot. Right, buckle up. It's going to be a bumpy ride. But it's not a bumpy ride when you're riding along the smooth surface of the hard shoulder of the motorway, only matched by this moron's smooth surface of his brain. Look, pulls to the right into the near side lane. Didn't even look over his shoulder. Absolutely brainless. He's got the hazard awareness of a fly following a plate of meat into a microwave oven. What an idiot. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Danny. And he's going through the green light, just waiting for that van to get out of the way. But from the right comes the village idiot. Just in case you missed it, here he comes. The village idiot. Yeah, what's inside the tyres on his bike has got more electrical activity than what his brain's got inside it. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Ben N. And he's just waiting at these traffic lights for them to go green so he can go. Yeah, that's his traffic lights green so they can go. But you can't go when there's an absolutely brainless retard on a line bike going across the front of your car. Okay, so you've got another little clip here from Musa going through the green light, just going under this bridge there. But what just pulls out in front of him? The Deliveroo rider with the Siberian IQ. Yes, Siberian IQ, minus 50. Yeah, when they're born, they get a birth certificate and a Darwin Award certificate at the same time. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Peter W. And we're following these two cyclists. The cyclist at the front stops at the red light, but the one behind him just weren't expecting him to stop. Steward's inquiry, here we go. Stopping at red lights is an absolutely alien action for a lot of cyclists, as in the case here. He weren't expecting the guy in front to stop, and that's the end result. Mate, he ends up trying to hump his own bike. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Anton. Everyone stopped at the level crossing for the tram to go, but apart from Brainless Bill, here he goes. Look, not looking where he's going, eyes shut. At the last minute, sees the tram, and thankfully he stops. What an idiot. Paralysed from the neck up, that moron. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Jane B. And they're looking at a cyclist approaching from the rear, and he approached far too fast. There he goes. Wasn't looking where he was going. He had the eye-vis top on, looked very safety conscious, but he was riding like he was mentally unconscious. Okay, so you've got this next clip here from Seth, and he's waited at the red lights, and you're about to see some disgusting, entitled, arrogant cyclists. There you go. Straight in front of the old man on the wheelchair. He's had to stop. The man helping him has asked the other cyclist to stop, but he didn't. Right, we're going to watch this again, yeah, because I'm going to slow down. Look, watch this. There's the first one. There's the other one in front of the old man in his electric wheelchair, yeah? The person walking across the road there, he sees another cyclist coming from the left. He tells him to stop. And of course he doesn't stop, does he? Look, the level of entitlement and arrogance is off the charts. I don't know about other cities, but in London, cyclists are doing this all day, every week, and nobody does anything about it. Okay, so you've got this little clip here from Ed. He's pulling up and stopping at the red light, as you do, but the moron with the IQ of a soap dish on the side of the bath ain't stopping. He's off. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Jamie, and we're following the cyclist. That's what we like to see, a good firm hand signal to indicate that they're about to go right, and then they go off to the left. The eyes are open, the mouth moves, but not much goes on in that vast empty space behind the eyes. Okay, so you've got another little clip here from Ben, and he's just going through these traffic lights, which has just turned green. And from the right comes a Deliveroo Dummeroo rider with the intelligence of a used cotton reel. Absolutely brainless. Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. What we're looking at here is an absolutely stunning example of the E-Type Jag, one of the best classics of all time. 4.2 litre this one. Manual. It's got really nice interior in it as well. Cream leather. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, send me some comments down below. I'll answer as many of them as I can. That's about it. Have a good weekend and see you in the next one. Bye.